Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to switch your Roblox account from one device to another without logging out or going through password hassles, this is the video you needed. Today, I'm showing you the easiest and safest method to transfer your Roblox account to any new device in just a few steps. So stay with me till the end. This one's super handy. Let's get started. First, grab the device where your Roblox account is currently signed in. Open the Roblox sign-in page. This works on PC, mobile, tablet, or iPad. Once the page loads, you'll see an option that says Use another device. Tap on that. Now Roblox gives you two ways to connect, either through a QR code or a manual code. Both work fine, but we'll stick to the manual code since it's the simplest and works on all devices. When you select it, Roblox will show a unique sign-in code on your screen. Keep that visible. Now take your second device, the one you want to transfer or switch your account to, open the Roblox app and make sure you're on the main screen. Tap More, scroll down, and you'll find Quick Sign In. Select it. You'll now see a field where you can enter the code from your first device. Carefully type in the code and hit Enter. Within a few seconds, you'll notice a pop-up on your original device asking you to confirm the login request. Simply click Confirm Login. And that's it. Your Roblox account is instantly linked and logged into the new device without needing your password. But here's something extra you should know: managing your active sessions. If you ever want to check which devices are logged into your account, go to Settings, then Security, and scroll down to the Sessions section. Here, you'll see every active device currently logged in. Tap any session and select Log Out of Session if you want to remove access from a device. Super useful for keeping your account secure, and that's the whole process: simple, secure, and super fast. If this guide helped you transfer your Roblox account smoothly, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.